Hey y'all, what is up? Today is Wednesday. You already know the deal. Today's Wednesday is Bible study. But also, right now I am taking a step back from my, let me put this window up. Taking a step back from my work to go grab some food, maybe just decompress in Target for a second. And so I just wanted to encourage somebody, if you do have, work stuff going on, or just life in general, anybody life is life for everybody. So just take a couple of moments to go get some fresh air wherever you are. If the sun is shining, even if the sun is not, get some fresh air, take a step back, go pray, grab some water, coffee, juice, whatever it is, a bite to eat. Go do something quickly that you enjoy doing, whether that's going into a store and just browsing, grocery store, department store, whatever it is, to just recollect your thoughts, okay? Recollect your thoughts. So that is my little TED talk for today. Take a step back, get some fresh air, recollect your thoughts, and go back in it full throttle. So yeah, I am on my way to Target. I just want to see what's new at Target, and going to grab some food. Whew. We are in the season of holidays. That's coming up, that's approaching. So the last quarter is always like hoorah, hoorah. But we are going to conquer. We're going to get through it, and that's just that on that. And this is why I be having y'all on the camera, because I'm backing into the parking spot. This girl is not paying attention, walking in the parking lot on her daggone phone. Y'all have got to put these phones away when you are walking in parking lots and stuff. Because if I had not had a back camera and wasn't looking all around my car, she would have got tapped. Like, is it really that deep for you to be looking in the phone as you're trying to cross the street, as you're trying to get through the parking lot where moving cars are going to and fro? What is going on? It's never that deep. Ever. I tell you, boy, I tell you. Let me just go in Target and see what's going on. All right, y'all, we are in Target. And we're gonna see what's up in here. This is cute. I don't know what the price is. This one is probably a swivel. Those gold things are cute too. What's the Christmas stuff from there? Oh, full stems on. Oh, this is so cute.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times.
I saw this book at Marshall's, and it was $14.99 in Marshall's. So it's $35 here with 30% off. So I think I'm gonna go back to Marshall's. But this is a good, Magnolia is actually a good book for decor, and also some recipes in there. So I think I'll go back to Marshall's then.
No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a...
Y'all, it's a wrap. Our anniversary day is closing out. We took some great pictures. I was just telling Babe, like, you know, being a content creator, sometimes it's still nerve-wracking to take pictures when people are watching. But
I got you
covered. He got me covered. We got some good ones. Thank you to all of you guys who wished us a happy anniversary over on Instagram.
One down, many to go.
Many to go. So
Give thanks to the Lord.
Yes.
Thanks for everybody that sent the love. All blessings to everybody. You know, give thanks.
That
to
restaurant.
Oh man, LaMonicas. Shout out.
Ooh, the lighting. Good
10
lighting.
of 10.
That restaurant was a 10 out of 10. That was a 20 out of 20 to me. 20 out of 10.
$50 tip, man. I couldn't do anything less than that.
It was so good. Oh my gosh. So if you're in the DMV area,
show love.
Check out some restaurants.
You will not be let down. You will not be let down. So subscribe, LaMonicasLAB, leave likes.
Y'all, let me know down below if you want us to have a separate channel from the beauty channel.
And if you have any ideas for what the name should be, let us know in the comments below.
Yeah.
Love, peace,
and beauty. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Have a wonderful weekend.